Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be diving into this holiday look right here that is perfect for any festive occasion that you may have coming up. And before we start, I'd like to thank the sponsor of today's video, Laura Mercier. They just launched these really adorable, great value holiday gifts for the holiday season. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use everything, and I'm also going to be pairing it with other like must-haves from Laura Mercier, from Bare Minerals. You guys are going to love it. This is the final look, so you're going to see everything from beginning to end. Let's get started. Now, before getting started with anything, we're taking care of the brows. That is my first step always. And for that, I'm using these two products. This is the Bare Minerals Strength and Length Serum Infused Brow Gel, because we're trying to grow our brows out while we tame them, as well as the Bare Minerals Mineralist Micro Defining Brow Pencil. I love micro brow pencils. They are the best at like mimicking hair-like strokes all along the brow. So quickly filling in any of the sparse areas throughout the brow, and then of course taming everything with the gel serum. Now for the eyes, of course, before we get started with anything, we have to apply a little bit of an eyeshadow base. This one's from Laura Mercier in the shade Buff. I love how it gives me a more even blank canvas to work with. Now for the eyes, I'm going in with this trio. This is the Enchanting Shimmers Caviar Sticks. These cream eyeshadows are so easy to apply. They're perfect for creating any holiday look. Plus, this trio includes the new limited edition shade Gilded, which is just gorgeous and perfect for the holidays. So we're starting off with Burnish Bronze, which is the deepest shade in the trio. We're going to apply this onto the outer V. And with this all over eye brush from Laura Mercier, I'm just going to be blending out the edges. Look how easily they blend out. Gorgeous, gorgeous shade. The good thing about these is that they are super blendable, as you just saw, and you can build them up to a higher intensity. Next, I'm using Strike a Rose, and I'm gonna apply that here to the center. Just going back and forth. And this is going to serve as a transition for the final shade. And the last shade that I'm using is the limited edition Gilded. I love this shade. You really don't even need a brush for this. They are so easy to use. And I love the fact that the trio, all the shades, perfectly complement one another. You can take this from day to night. These are perfect for mixing and matching. And at $51, they're a great value for gifting too. Now I'm going to take the Caviar Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Espresso Brown. And this is what I'm going to use to tightline. So just wiggling this back and forth in between the lashes. And as you can see, this is going to deliver the appearance of a thicker lash line. Now we're going to finish off the eyes with mascara, of course. This is the Caviar Extravagant Mascara. And I always do 2 coats. Moving on to the face, we're starting off with a primer. This one is the Pure Canvas Primer from Laura Mercier. Just applying a little bit of that here along the sides of my nose. Now for color correcting, I'm taking the Secret Camouflage Duo. This one's in the shade SC4, and I'm going to take the more neutralizing shade. It's got a creamy consistency, and it is very, very pigmented. Then I'm just going to blend out the edges, and look at that. It neutralizes so well. Now for foundation, I'm using the Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. This is in the shade Caramel, which is 3N2. I'm pretty sure this is like spot on as far as my shade. This foundation is so lightweight. Evens the skin, it makes everything look nice, and you see what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure this is like my perfect shade. Makes everything look nice and even. It feels like nothing on the skin. Truly feels like you have nothing on, and it provides such beautiful, even coverage. I mean, just look at the before and the after. I am obsessed with this foundation. Now for concealer, I'm using the Real Flawless Concealer in the shade 3N1. Of course, just applying it to the areas where I feel like I need it most, which is here and here. This is a beautiful, weightless, medium coverage concealer. I really, really like how light it is because you cannot feel it under the eyes. There's nothing that I hate more than a heavy under eye area. And with this one, it really feels like you have nothing on at all. Now to set the under eye area and pretty much the entire face wherever it needs it, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier Divinely Flawless Translucent Loose Setting Powder and Puff. This is their best selling powder and now it has a limited edition holiday look and it comes with this adorable soft puff for easy application. It's perfect for that flawless all day wear and it controls shine without feeling heavy. It also makes for an incredibly thoughtful gift, especially for anyone who loves makeup. Taking a little bit of this powder with a brush, I'm going to lightly set the under eye area. And for bigger areas like here along the sides of my nose where I tend to get really oily, I'm oily kind of all along the T-zone. I'm using the powder puff with a little bit of the powder, and you're gonna see the difference even right here. So you can see all the shine, all the texture, which is fine. But now we are going to hide all of the shine and all of the texture before and after. It just gives that nice, beautiful, smooth, flawless finish to the face, and it helps to control oil, which for me is a big win. Next comes my secret weapon. Okay, you guys know this. This is the Bare Minerals Concealer. This is their multitasking concealer in the shade Summer Bisque. They have a few different shades to choose from. I love this shade in particular because it helps to brighten the under eye area and it also delivers a little bit more coverage. So I just take a little bit of the powder, look down, and I just stamp it under the eye. I go back and forth just to make sure that it's blended in, but this is going to give the most beautiful highlighted under eye. It's not going to feel heavy and it is also going to further conceal. It makes such a big difference. All right, so now that the under eye area is good to go, let's go back to the eyes to finish those up. So I'm taking this Caviar eyeliner. So we're gonna add a little bit to the waterline and to the lash line as well. And I'm grabbing the Trio once more, and I'm gonna apply this on top of that, a little bit further down. And I'm gonna do it in the same order that I did the lid. So we're gonna go from deepest to lightest shade. I'm gonna finish it off with the gold right here and right here. And then I'm just gonna blend everything out along the lower lash line. And of course, going back with mascara to finish it off. Now for bronzers, you can never go wrong with the Bare Minerals bronzers, okay? This one is in the shade Kiss of Spice. I have two other shades and I am obsessed. This is a blush and a bronzer combined all into one. So you get 2 in 1. I'm taking some of the bronzer with this finishing brush from Laura Mercier. And of course, that is gonna go right here. Just going in light circular motions. And look at that. I absolutely love these. Love. I think this actually might be my new favorite shade. It looks so beautiful. It blends in to your skin. It melts into your skin. And it will complement any and all eye looks. And to add just a little bit more light to the face, we are going with the Bare Minerals Highlighting Blush in the shade Opal Glow, which looks like this. Gorgeous. And I'm applying it with the same brush, only of course, I'm applying it a little bit further up here along the high points of the cheek. And I'm also gonna apply a little bit of that onto the brow bone. Now for the lips, we're going with this little holiday set. This is the Dreamy Embrace Petal Soft Lipstick Crayon Duo in Ella and Lucy. These shades give a beautiful petal soft finish. This duo is such a lovely gift option, and these shades suit any holiday look. Now for this look, I'm going with the shade Lucy. It's nice, it's subtle, and I feel like it goes with the eye look quite beautifully. Lastly, I'm finishing up with this guy. This is the Ombre Vanille Serum Body Cream. It's one of Laura Mercier's best-selling scents, and this jumbo size is a holiday exclusive. It feels so luxurious, and it makes your skin super soft, truly the perfect indulgence. And here's our finished look. What do you guys think? This is perfect for any upcoming holiday gatherings, holiday parties. It's gonna last all day long, stay locked in place. You won't have to worry about it. Laura Mercier truly nailed it with these kits. They make for great gifts and are perfect for your own collection too. I've linked everything down below in the description box. Thanks to Laura Mercier for sponsoring today's video, and thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think of this holiday look down below. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on future videos. And also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, where I absolutely love to interact with you guys. As always, take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.